Speed is immensely powerful. I've talked about this before. Any of you who are in the war room or my private networks or you're students of mine, I always say lesson one. Lesson one is speed. Speed kills. It's nearly impossible to punch someone quickly and not hurt them.
What a crunching shot!
Speed is force. Speed is fast. If a plane is flying through the air and the engine's cut off, it doesn't fall. It glides because it has speed. In fact, if the engine's cut, but a bunch of little seagulls got behind it and start pushing it, as long as it has speed, it won't fall. Speed is the only force that can defy gravity. Speed is immensely powerful. And what you'll notice is that rich people live very fast lives, and poor people live very slow lives. So a poor person gets up, goes to work, sits in the traffic, comes home from work in the traffic, watches TV. In 2 months, he has a holiday. He's gonna go to Spain. Gets up, goes to work, slow. Rich people, private jet here, bang, dinner, back on the plane, sleeps on the plane, wakes up on a completely new continent. Dinner here, gets on a boat, goes there, buys a new car, boom, fast, always doing things fast. Your speed of life is dictated by the amount of money you have. In fact, I live an extremely fast life. Tate, is your life actually that good? Last 7 days of my life, I'm supposed to be going on a supercar rally. Supercar rally gets canceled. Charter plane to Ibiza. Staying at the Seven Pines Resort, one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. I spent 25,000 euros in Ibiza. I'm chilling, right? This bitch hits me up on Instagram. She's like, come to Moscow, come to Moscow. I'm like, bitch, Putin won't let me in Moscow. It's COVID. I can't get a visa. She's like, please come. I see pictures of her big ass titties. I'm like, I'm not going to Moscow. Hit the war room. War room. I need documents. Bang, 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 bang. Got a guy in Moscow. I now work for his company. Boom, boom, boom. Get the visa. Bang. I go to Moscow. I'm pumping this hoe. Walk around Red Square and shit. Like a G. Finish there. Private plane to Warsaw, Poland. And I thought, you know what? The supercar ride got canceled. I haven't driven in a while. When I get to Poland, I want a car. One phone call. 2 of my 17 supercars from Bucharest, Romania got put in a truck and brought me to Warsaw. I get to the 5-star hotel. I've got 2 supercars waiting for me out front. I land here, I tag myself, and then some Polish models slide into my DMs because they heard I'm in the city. And me and Tate have to go out and deal with those 2 bitches. Woke up this morning, pushed the bitch out the way, went to the fucking sauna, bitch, tell her boxing.
Combo.
Went to the gym, drove around the city till the police stopped me, went to Louis Vuitton. And it's Friday, what are we doing tonight? We're going to the fucking club. Don't ask me about my life, pussy. Worry about yours. And a fast life requires a lot of money. And people often say to me, well, yeah, you live a fast life because you have money to spend. And that made me think about something else. Not only do rich people live fast lives, but rich people have fast money. And poor people have slow money. Because when you're not making very much money, you need to hold on to it for long periods of time. You need the savings in case something goes wrong. It's the 1st of the month and your rent is due on the 30th. So for 29 days, you have to hold on to that money. You have to sit there and just slowly hold it. Your money is slow. Your money doesn't go anywhere very quickly. You don't have much of it, but it comes in the bank. You try not to spend it and it just basically sits around doing nothing. Rich people have very fast money. Rich people, the same day the money's in, it's out. Like if you send me $100,000 right now, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need to save it. I don't need to spend it. I don't need it. I don't need to pay rent. I don't need it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to invest it. I'm going to buy something. You give me 100 grand at 9 a.m. By 10 a.m., it's either in stocks, shares, crypto, or a ball car. It's gone. Money in, money out. Bang. People think rich people are sitting on these huge pools of money. And some of them are, the older ones. But the new generation, the young generation of rich people, they don't have huge sums of money. They just have very fast money coming in all the time. So if I know I have a bill at the end of the month, I don't need to save for it because I get paid every single day. Every single day money comes into my account and I know that the day before that bill comes, enough money for the bill will come. Imagine I said to you, you have $20,000 coming to your bank every single morning, 9 a.m. Boom, 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 every day for the rest of your life. You spend all that money. Every day, you spend that money. You jump on private planes, you buy supercars, you go to the club, you spray champagne everywhere, You do whatever you wanted. Hotel, 5-star suites, bang, bang, bang. Rent a yacht. The money, because it doesn't matter, because next day new money comes. That's rich. Rich is not having a big pool of money. Rich is having money coming all the time. And when the money comes all the time, you're gonna spend it all the time. When you spend it all the time, you're gonna meet new people. And when you meet new people, they're gonna teach you, they're gonna make connections and networks, and they're gonna allow you to make even more money. So now, after spending $20,000 every day, you're in Ibiza, you're on a boat, you're talking to some other millionaire, you find a way you can work together, you start working together, now you make $25,000 every day. But the money's fast. It's coming in, it's coming out quickly. Boom, 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 boom. And the way you get richer is for more and more to turn up each day, not to save more and more in a stagnant pool, which is what poor people do and what poor people think rich people do, but we don't. My money is extremely quick. I do not hold on to money. I will never hold on to money. What I will do is I will spend my money to buy things that allow more money to turn up in my bank, or like a property or rental property, whatever it is, or a cryptocurrency. Or what I'll do is I'll spend my money on experiences and networking that allow me to meet rich people, which I can use my friendship with to make even more money. My money is a tool which is quickly destroyed. I quickly blast it into an asset or an experience or a lifestyle, something that allows me to get more money and fast. Poor people get their money and hoard it like little cowards. They're afraid. So fast money and slow money are different things. In Hustlers University 2.0, we teach about fast money.
What a crunching shot!
Lesson 1, speed. Speed kills.
Hold on tight, we're about to get rich. Right here, Hustlers University.
Think how long it's going to take you to save $1 million. And think how little $1 million is. You're not even rich with $1 million. You can't even buy most houses on a nice street with $1 million. One house. How are you going to have a property portfolio? How are you going to have a supercar collection? I have $10 million of cars. You can't just save money in a stagnant pool. You need to learn how to get fast money. You have to take the money you have and buy the right things quickly so that more comes in, so you can buy more. It's a spiral. It's a tornado that leads up to infinity. And when you get to the top, you're rich like me, worth hundreds of thousands a month just appear. And I'm just trying to buy it. Find me houses, find me cryptos, find me cars, how much is the plane? Sure. Send the money away, get rid of the money. I'm trying to spend my money. My money is so quick. This is what Hustlers University is about. This is what we're gonna teach you on a smaller scale. It doesn't matter if you have $1,000 a day turning up. If you start to spend that money in the right places, that will become $1,200, $1,400, $1,600. This is what we teach.